Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I'm coming live from Mombasa Waterfront. So on today's video, that's a special video because right beside me here.
Hi guys, how are you guys? I hope you're all doing great today. And I'm at Mombasa with Claude Joseph. My name is Ogik Maureen.
Yes.
And I'm in Mombasa City, Kenya.
For sure guys, she's a content creator too. You can go check her out on YouTube at
Ogik Maureen.
Yes.
And
subscribe guys, you know. So I want to be taking you around how everything is right here, a quick tour of how everything is, how people celebrate here. You know, it's a nice place, man. I've never been here, but my first impression here, I just loved it. You know, it's really nice, you know. So people are just enjoying life, having everything right here, man. I feel like I should sleep this place right here. So I don't want to go back.
Joseph doesn't want to go back.
I don't want to
he
go.
He wants to sleep here.
Yeah, I don't want to go back to Utrapa. I want to.
This is how people in Mombasa enjoy, by the way, with Mogoka.
Yeah, for sure. You know, like one thing I just love about these people is like they're just friendly. You know, after work, they're just sitting in groups discussing issues, you see. And right here, these are the baobab trees, right? Yeah, these are the baobab trees right here, guys. You can see. People come enjoy here. They're just sleeping. Yeah, chilling. Mombasa is very. Yeah, for sure.
Friends, workmates.
Yeah. So, and as I was in Mombasa, I was told like there are certain things that come from this baobab tree. They're called baobabs. Yeah, actually we call them. How do we call them? Is it ubuyu? Yeah, ubuyu. Mabuyu. So, guys, mabuyu comes from this tree. This big tree. Look. Wow. Hey. It's really big tree. One day I'll just there's a fruit right there. So that fruit, I don't know if you can see it, my camera doesn't zoom. Yeah, there are so many fruits right here. So those are the fruits of baobabs. I don't know if you can see that one. So those are the fruits of baobabs. So those baobabs are being, I was told like they are being broken, then they boil them, right? Yeah, they boil them and they boil sugar. So they use sugar and some food colors to create mabuyu. So watu wa Migori, mabuyu yanatengenezwa na huu mti. I'm trying to coop up the accent of Mombasa, you know. Yeah, so this is it guys, you can tell. It's a nice place to be, a nice place to pay a visit. You can come and visit this place. Really nice, really good. Yeah, it looks like a small forest, but it's really nice. Yeah, it looks like Uhuru Park and Jivanji, but this is very, very modern. It's very, very like it's on another level. It's really nice. It's near the beach. Yeah, wow. You can stay right there. That's an Indian Ocean right there. So this is called Mombasa Waterfront. It's a Likoni ferry bridge. Is it Likoni bridge or Likoni ferry bridge? I don't know, but I'll just know as time goes by, guys. So this is a tree. Look, very big trees right here. I guess these trees have so many decades right here. So many years, right? Yeah. So maybe thousands of years because are very, very big, very big. Yeah, look. Deep and huge roots. Man, it looks like a house. If this could be maybe in Maju, in Europe, maybe in other places, they could have created a house inside. Yeah. That's it guys, but here it's just that it is what it is, man. This is Africa. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. This place is very clean, cool, chill. You see? Just pay look right here. Yeah. So let me know at the comment section, do such places exist back in your countries or back in your villages maybe, you know? Yeah. But here we are in a city called Mombasa City at a place known as Mombasa Waterfront. Man, it's really nice. So you can tell even from this pavement right here, called Cabros. So this place is added with this is glass. Man, this is glass right here, pure glass. There's a hole right here, so that's pure glass, man. And also we had another pure glass right here. So should we head this way or this way? Maybe you should start this way so show like how this is it, guys. You see? Yeah, it's grass. I don't know what is inside, but it looks like a sewage. Yeah, this is a sewage right here, guys. Yeah, so this is it. Boom, and right there, and we have Likoni ferry, what we call like Likoni ferry station. So let's head this way, and I want to be showing you right everything, how everything is right here. So guys, let me know at the comment section. Oh yeah, so guys, I'm taking you there at Likoni ferry, and I want to be showing you there's a certain ferry that is coming from that place right there. Yeah, so I can't wait to share with you. And right here I have Ogik Maureen. Go check her out on YouTube, guys.
I keep forgetting my name. I don't know, it's hard.
No, it's not hard.
The first name is kind of confusing.
Ogik.
Yeah,
it's really nice. Ogik. Yeah, that's it, guys. You know, go check her out on YouTube. We really appreciate. So let me go show you a wonderful view of that place. It's really nice. Yeah, the ferry is coming. Yeah, so look at this place, guys. Look at this place right here. This is the entrance right here. Look at it, man. It's really nice. Really nice. So this is the entrance right here. Yeah, that's it. So this is the entrance right here, and man, look. And right here, that's it. So you go up to that place right there. So yeah, you can tell right there, guys. Now that's Mombasa, you know. So right that place, you can see there's a ferry right there, and cars are really going in. You see right there. I hope you can see people just going in there, and cars are just rushing in there, you know. So this is Likoni, and right there's a ferry coming. So from this place to the other side, how much does it cost for one to board this ferry?
It's free, yeah.
It's free.
Yeah.
Man.
But for the people who are having cars, they get charged.
Oh,
yeah.
If you have a car, you get charged.
And goods. If you
and
have
goods.
Yeah.
Oh, so but when you're just like free, like those people right there, you see, guys.
Free, yeah.
You see, there are just thousands of people going in there, you know.
So most of the guys come this side to work, or
yes,
maybe for their businesses, and then go back home.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow. So guys, that's Likoni ferry right there. And the other side, how do you call the other side right there?
That's there's a Shelly beach somewhere there.
Oh, there's also a beach right there.
The other side is also Likoni.
It's also Likoni. So this is like the barrier, maybe. It's not the border. This ocean right here. You see, it's the border. So maybe we say like Likoni A and Likoni B. Yeah, so you can tell right there, guys. There's just thousands of people.
Yeah, and from there you can head to Kwale, Ukunda, and other places. Yeah.
Wow. So this is the only bridge that.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, there's another bridge.
Yes.
The one that flies. I don't
Okay,
know.
so
What is it
the
called?
floating bridge.
Yeah.
Oh, so guys, I can't wait.
The floating bridge.
I can't wait to take you to the floating bridge. Actually, you see right here, that's what we call like a ferry, and people go in there. You know, people go in there like crazy, just going there like ants. Have you ever seen ants? You know, let me know in the comment section, guys. Do you know ants? Do you know ants? Look. Yeah. Have you ever seen ants like having their safari to a certain place? So that's it. Yeah. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed seeing this place. I really appreciate, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this place right here. We are in Mombasa, actually a place known as Mama Ngina Waterfront, and right there is Likoni ferry. Yeah, that's Likoni ferry. For those people who maybe want to be saying like, man, take us to Likoni. So we are at Likoni. That's Likoni right there, and you can see some cars are just getting out from that. Another ferry is offloading. Yeah, and right here it's loading. Yeah, this one is loading, and right there how everything is very cool, man. Mombasa Raha. So guys, let me know your opinions. We just came from right that place from Mamangina Waterfront, and you can see how it is. That's the main entrance, and you can go up where the rich hide. And right here was my tour guide called Ogik Maureen. Kindly go check her out on YouTube at
Ogik Maureen, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
For sure, it will be really nice. So,
we are both on the road to 1K and 2,000. Yeah,
so about 2,000 subscribers, 1K subscribers.
subscribers.
Really appreciate, guys. So let us know at the comment section what do you think about these videos or about this place right here. Do you people have, or do you use certain ferries to close alongside the ocean or our lake? So let me know at the comment section what do you think about this place, or let us know. Keep us know at the comment section right there. And guys, I'm going to leave her link at the description point. Kindly go check her out. She's a nice lady to me, my sister, taking me around here. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So guys, let's end this video here. I want to say thank you so much for being on my channel, and thank you so much for taking me around. I really appreciate your gig, because you just find rare people like you who spend their time to take people like Claude Joseph right here. Some
village
people,
boy.
Village boy. Some people could be shy. Maybe this village boy maybe want to be disturbing me around here in the city. So with me, I don't know if I disturb you. Sometimes, she's just amazing, guys. So that's it.
By the way, he's so courageous. That's what I love about Claude Joseph.
Wow, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
he's so courageous. He doesn't fear. Like he can do anything.
For sure.
So that's what I love about Claude Joseph.
In this life, you need to be courageous, for you to succeed. So fear is the worst enemy. Fear is the worst enemy in this world, and fear can lead you to poverty. For sure, fear. I really hate fear.
That's the phrase I've learned today.
For sure. I really hate fear. If you hate fear, you are good to go. So guys, I want to say thank you so much, and if you are very first time here on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. We are coming live and clear from
Mamangina
Waterfront, and right there is Likoni Ferry. So we end this video here by saying thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Kindly go check out her on YouTube at
Ogik Maureen.
Wow, I was about to say Lila the Explorer.